Alright, so let's talk about God mode, or in a boring way, the HTML UI. What you do is you go to the address bar up there, type in and UI equal HTML, and press enter. Awesome, so now as you can see the HTML UI is a bit different, it looks a bit like Minecraft. But what's the important thing with this is that if you press E and press on an image or a box model, you have this little window pop up right here. So in our case, you can close, move, delete, position change, change the scale, rotation, the ID, even put a URL so that when you click on the picture, it's going to take you to that URL. And you can even add scripts to it. If you want information on scripts or how to script, I have another playlist in my account, on my channel, in which I teach people how to script and give them ideas on what you can do. So here, as you can see, this picture has an ID called nitpick. And what you can do is if you press E, click on the image, let's move the position of it. Right. So say people are walking in the street and you want them to know that this is the Nicolas Cage parcel. So what you can do is you can put the picture right above here outside the parcel. So press E, click on Nicolas Cage, and move the picture, move, put it higher maybe. Put it right there. Up. So before you put your picture outside, what I recommend doing is adding an ID to that picture. The reason is, when the picture is outside, you cannot select it, but when it's inside, you can select it. So sometimes you may end up with stuck box models that are outside your parcel, and it just ruins the fun for everyone. So I think it is a good idea to give them an ID, because then you can go to the diamond bar, press button, put a button there, press E, click on it, and you can add a script to the button that would select that item given the ID and bring it back inside the parcel. Or in a more simpler way, you could use the debug mode. So you go to the address bar. So let's do that previously. I'm going to press E, click on that, put it outside. There you go, I can't select it anymore. So what you do is you go to the address bar and you type in debug equal true. Alright, there's some fancy stuff that just appeared on screen. Give it a bit of wait. Inspecting. There we go. So we've got a box model over here, a box model, images, polytext, sign, audio, NFT image. So we know that ours is an image, so I can click on this and it'll pop up the HTML UI for that item. And now I can just move it back into the parcel. There we go. Here it is.